Okay, welcome to Dewan Trade. I'm Dewan. If you're a first-time visitor, then this channel is for my old day trade reflection. So it records my day trade actions, trading actions, and my psychology situation, mental status. Okay, so today is January the 9th, 9:22 a.m. PST. It's afternoon session. Let's see. Then we see a liquidity speed, sharply drop and quickly bounce back, liquidity speed and bump up. So overall is aggregate channel going to the upside, but again, this is a familiar pattern. The our momentum keeps decreasing, and let's see if there's any RSI a little bit higher and price action a little bit higher. There's no obvious divergence. Huh. Oh, there is some divergence here. This is so low. The RSI is so high. So some divergence here. But starting from today, I'm gonna apply two techniques. One is I will go for the very conservative entry until I see the trend clear. Then I just go. For example, like here, it does not break the trend, so that means it's still like sideways in this channel and aggregate. I'm not sure if you're gonna going up or down. So no trade area here. And same thing for ES. Essentially no trade. And the second technique is I will apply all the like entry order, and rescue order, stop order, or take profit order. Once my entry order gets on board, once I on board in the trade, they'll set up all these order together. I will not rely on manual stop loss. It ends up that once I have some mental or psychology situation, some distortion, which is totally possible. And whenever that happens, that blow my account in one trade. So I don't rely on manual stuff. Human nature is not reliable. Oh, here, maybe we see something. See, ESS already come to the top. It's already at the top. While NQ is only half. It's only half. Let's see 5 minute. Let's see. Okay, still to the upside. ES break as a higher high, but NQ not still in the range and hesitate and not break something. So not sure if that means some divergence. Trend channel, trend line. Hmm. We'll see. This is 3 minute, and what about 5 minute? 5 minute is trying to go up. We'll wait until the NQ reaches the top and wait for the engulfing. Cause the upward, let's see, 15 minutes. Oh, for 15 minutes, it keeps going up, keeps going up. Like last day, it just sharply drop and sideways and keeps going up. Let me see. It dropped to the previous resistance level. So we'll see. So this is the previous support level. Okay, support level becomes the resistance of this sideway, and you just break out, we start breaking out. It's not necessarily it repeat, but it's sideway. Break and fall back, and break and fall. So let's see a bigger time frame. Oh, it's trying to go up and fall back to here and try to break again. It feels like I need to draw something here and make this become the new hand line. Make this become the new trend line because it matches here. And probably we need to be not sure how to make it across, but think of this as an area. So now it goes very close to the area. And let's see if we get bounce back, and keep sideways in this triangle. But this triangle is big enough. See from here, 96, 93, 935, let's say, to maybe here. Oh, 6, 8, 380, almost 600, 580. So this range is big enough. Let's see. Now this is still sideways. And the previous four does not break the previous resistance. So this is still higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So it's still uptrend. It does not break. We need to wait for the break structure to confirm downtrend, and then wait for the retest, and then wait for the downward engulfing. So should not enter into a trade too early. We'll see. But we see for ES, it gets rejected on the upper bound of this channel, while the NQ shows some downward intention. That means it does not even reach the top. It does not even reach, so it's not on the same page as ES. ES go up, go to the upper bound of this channel, and ES is still just in the middle, does not reach the upper bound correspondingly. So it has the intention to the downside. But we'll see more obvious confirmation because this is not that obvious. Based on the structure, it's still uptrend. It's very dangerous to go short in the uptrend. But we'll see Yeah, there are some, but this is pre-market, and this is 635, 630. This is the first candle. So this is flag. This is a channel. Is it bullish? Oh yeah. Essentially this is a channel and bump up. So the market open is very dangerous even for 710. Market open, you see volatility, and it's actually a bull flag and bumping up. So you need to realize this one. It's very easy to get blow account. Uh, because the huge volatility. And I just want to wait for the setup. And okay, yes, break. We'll see if yes break to the upper side and anchor is still in the range, then we probably need to go long. Need to go long. See, yes. Actually, there are 2 more minutes, but it looks like yes gonna break. I'm not sure if before that they will fall back. Not sure. Oh, okay. Yes, break to the upside. To the trend channel. Well, let's see, very close. 1 more minute. Oh, it does not close above the range and fall back. That means it gets rejected. So maybe I should sell. It ends up to be a flat, and this is a higher high, but higher high, but it's already aggregate to this upward channel. The channel, the buying momentum keep decreasing, so probably it will drop somewhere here. We'll see. So if it does not bounce back and get me on board, I'm totally fine because this is very aggressive entry. So far, I don't see any downtrend evidence. I don't see any evidence for downtrend. Okay, he's still sideways. Maybe I should not even enter into a trade. It's still sideways here. I want to see a break. Either ES or NQ break out of the Oh, for yes, it's something like it's already here. Keep sideways. Uh-oh. For NQ. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the right time to go the shop here. I'll see if it keeps dropping and make the ENA 9 like block trying to come close to ENA 21, then I'll something. But this is very aggressive entry. At this time, I don't see any evidence that it switched to Dow Chain. So very aggressive. Oh, it gets rejected. Okay, I get on board. Well, it's not easy. It's not easy to set a stop loss. Should I set it here? It's just not that easy. Maybe I should change the time frame to 15 minutes. Oh, this is where my trend line drops, and so probably I should draw it here. Oh, one, but I can draw it here. The hypothesis is that this is the I mean the upper bound is the last something, but it's not easy to draw some oh, I can draw here. Fine. Yeah, this is my stop loss. While ES already reached the upper bound, then NQ does not. So it falls. That's the hypothesis. And how much it falls? I don't know. Maybe the first cut will be some realistic something will be here. ，Yeah, this is my take profit. At the previous at the support and something and ENA 21, maybe it's a little bit aggressive. I should set at ENA 21, but let's see. 12 points. That's good. 20 points. That was 200. See if ENA line performs some defense. If it does, then it's still uptrend. Then my trade gonna be in danger. 4 more minutes. We'll see this candle. It seems there's no strong momentum downward something. It's not like, hey, eventually the upward momentum gets straight up, or some trend line from bigger timeline just impose strong power to to move it down. So, so that may seem that the seller momentum is missing or the seller does not step in. Is some retailer that is redeem the profit here and it resume upside. So 3 more minutes. Let's wait for the completion of this candle. Because for ES, I see it's trying to break the lower bound, break the lower bound of the channel. And both ES and NQ get defended by yen 89. 17 points. And what's mine? Oh, it's like 70 points. 70 versus 17. Oh, 3 or 4, 3 to 4 risk reward ratio. I'm not gonna move my trading stop loss because at this time it's not finalized that the downside. So it's finalized the outbreak. 2 more minutes, we'll see. If it finalized, then I will probably move my trading stop loss to somewhere here at the upper side of this momentum candle. It should not outperform this momentum candle. Otherwise, it means the reverse. It means the uptrend continues. Yeah. Maybe he bounced back. He got rejected here. See? Got rejected at ENA line. Go. Will it reverse from here or it continues down? Let's see. Yes, it's trying to go down. Continue to go down. That means this arrow momentum vanishing is effective. If it breaks, close underneath this line. And I'll see, because this is a ENA 21, I see if somebody is defending at ENA 21. If it close underneath ENA 21, well, that confirms the Dow trend. Oh, no, it bounced back. Oh no, it bounced back. At the ENA line. So some defense, buyer defense at ENA 9, and seller does not step in. Look at yes, is star. Oh, you reduced downside. Great. I saw you're gonna bounce back. Oh my God. Then I just make a couple of dollars. And I'm happy with that. It's better than lose. But I see this is flat. This is like high and aggregate almost something. So I think this is the very beginning. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, very beginning of Dow chain. Dow chain. And first car will be, oh, I get kicked out. I get kicked out. So the ENA line still perform the defense. Hmm. We'll see. Now ES does not engulf the most recent bearish candle, but NQ just engulf. It's like a triangle sideways. If it outbreak, then I will probably go long from here. I'll see ES. For now, the ENA line defense is still, but a little bit intimidating because, yeah, you see the line 4 hour is almost touching the O's. We'll see this candle. The NQ, the upward momentum is big, conceals the previous two in this low trading volume. So many people want to buy, but for ES, it's still like halfway. So I'm not sure if it's like, also we see that it gets rejected at the same level. So we'll see. This looks to me upward triangle sideways. We will want to wait for the breakout of either entity. We want to wait for the breakout of either entity, and then we know the next step. Because for this upward triangle, it does not necessarily mean that upward triangle means break to the upside. It can break to the downside. Either way, so we need to wait for the confirmation signal. Good thing is we moved the trading stop loss. So we'll see. Okay, $24 is better than nothing. $24. Okay, one more candle. You know what? If you're gonna break to the upside, then probably I will go long with ES because this is already the upper bound, and this ES is at we have seen the lower bound here, but it's not breakout, so I'm not sure. If we break to the down, I mean ES break to the downside, then I'll probably go short with NQ because that is more. Oh, it looks like it's gonna break. It's gonna break to the upside. Is that true? No. This is just a temptation. As long as it does not close above right there. Because this is like break to the lower bound and sideways. We can only conclude that, okay, the trend line is still, okay, it's going up. Execute our plan. Trying to go long with ES. Let's look at 3 minutes. See if he retests and catches on ball. No. Trying to go up. Oh, you get on ball. So we're gonna apply very conservative stop loss. That's here, ENA line. If we outpace ENA 21, that means something. Mm-mm-mm. What? Sell. Oh, it looks like the rejection step in. And probably I need to set a stop loss somewhere here. Somewhere here. I don't check the ATR. Oh. But maybe I should just set it here. If it breaks, if it breaks this line, then probably I just need to go down. Because ES shows very strong like retest to the lower bow and then continue fall back. Break a little bit, retest and rejected by lower bow and continue to the downside. Oh, you fool me again. Let's see this candle 1 more minute. Either is continue sideways or something. If you break out here, and I'll probably go short with NQ. But it looks like some support step in here. Okay, one more candle. Let's see this one. If we continue down, then I will leave the trade. Let's see. Now you see the rejection from the lower bow. So break, rejection, maybe continue to go down. It does not know where to go. Um, we'll see. ENA 21. But the ENA 9 is showing some symptom that is trying to come close to ENA 21 at this time. Yeah, that's my take profit. I'm not sure if you keep going up. If you did, and this is the previous high, all-day high, and hopefully you create a higher high, a new all-day high, because that's what I see. That's how I perceive from NQ chart. We'll see. And I don't see any big divergence. You both NQ and ES perform the same day. It's just that here, NK wants to go up, but ES shows the intention to go down. You see, this is even the red candle, while NQ is just a star with green, ending with green. Uh, so to me, that means it's just not that easy to draw the trend line here. But yeah, if NQ continue up, I expect some resistance at the upper bound of the trend line. And we'll see if it shows a downward momentum from there. And reference, cross-reference, yes. But even NQ shows engulfing. ES does not, ES does not engulf the previous bearish candle. It shows some downward intention. That's not a good sign. So many people for ES want to sell. And the only hope is like NQ need to break, obviously break, so that overall market still like going up. Oh, it looks like NQ is like bull flag. Mm-mm-mm. Maybe the support step in like here. I will probably set my stop loss here. Hmm. Let's see. Some resistance here. Some support step in. We'll see EN 21 how it defends. Oh. Oh, there are 4 more minutes. This is like a momentum candle. Okay. The defense, the support is effective, it seems, at ENA something. If you close underneath ENA 21, then I will probably need to leave the trade. But otherwise, 16, you enters into rescue mode. And Some minor profit will be good. Oh, it keeps going down. Things are not good. ENA 21 still performs some defense. See if you close underneath here, or you just trigger this point. Oh, I get trigger. NQ, I get trigger. So it looks like I'm hedging. The feeling is not good. So, because I think you're gonna be bounce back, gonna get defended at ENA 21 and bounce back. So that's why I added my complementary order at ENA 21. Okay, one more minute. See if you close. Underneath ENA 21. If it does, then probably I need to quit. But if not, then there are some hopes. We'll see the next candle. The buyers might step in the next candle. Now the ES has already shown a downside. This is a break of the one more mini. Oh, one more candle. See here. It closed underneath the ENA 21. That's not good. This is my final. My final almost 1 to 1. It's like 1 to 1.5, 2 to 3 risk reward ratio. It really depends. Oh, it looks like it gets bounced back. And somewhere here. Okay, the ENI 21 defense is effective for now. Hmm. And you will bounce back somewhere realistic somewhere here. Yeah, this is the previous shoulder hand shoulder. If you gonna build like shoulder hand shoulder, then probably you will reach here. I don't know. I guess. Yeah, that's why I hate like hedge so much. Okay, 3 more minutes. Let's see if you're gonna build like shoulder hand shoulder. Hey, shoulder hand shoulder. See if you retest to yen and nine. Okay, it breaks yen and nine, so it keeps going up. If you can engulf this one, this is a little bit difficult. But for NQ, it does not even. It just reached the 0.6. That's bad. But for ES, it was once engulfing, but get rejected at yen and nine. 2 more minutes. Oh, NQ shows some lower low. Probably I need to quit. Okay, we'll see. It seems like this is long retest and get pushed back, continue to get pushed back. Our stop loss gets triggered, and we'll see if yen 821 will be effective, and if it bounce back. If it breaks here, then we'll enter into market order. Here. Keep waiting because some resistance, some support will we step in here for ES. Some support and here same thing. So it's very intimidating to sell here. Go short here. Okay, bounce back. Let's see how fast it bounce back. So my entry order is at the ENA line, so it bounce back something. And if we bounce back here, then I'll catch it. Okay, some support becomes effective. If it creates a lower low at ENA 21, that means the ENA 21 is not effective. Then I'll do a market order, go short from there. We'll see. Some support will step in. Okay. Something. And this is my rescue order. It aligns to the downside something and keeps going down. It could probably retest to here, somewhere here, because this is a previous support. Or maybe here. I don't know. Maybe I should be more conservative at ENA line. Okay, ENA line. And this is a support here. With that being said, I will set buy something here. If you can break, and set my uh, stop loss here. Buy. To see how far you can go. Oh, because that validates our hypothesis that Dow upward momentum keeps vanishing, and now sellers step in. But at this time, at this critical price level, you can bounce back and build a double top before it finally goes down. So we'll see. We'll see. Yes, already almost engulfed, but for NQ is so small. So this is some kind of divergence. So this could probably be a consolidation candle. And next will be stretch, or it could be reverse. We'll see this one. Okay, one more candle. See if this is a reverse setup or uh, if it continues now, create a lower low, then this is a consolidation. This is going to be a stretch or continue to be a consolidation. I don't know. But yes, shows some intention to go upward. See, it's not a star, it's some green candle, solid green. And it exceeds like 0.6 of the previous bearish candle. But for NQ, it's still undeterministic. It looks like I want to bounce back. Cannot add position this time. It's not. I'm not sure what's going on. Yes, want to bounce back. Oh, 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 oh. It seems this is a reverse setup. This is reverse. See, yes. Together they engulf the previous bearish and break. Let's see how it reacts to yen and 9. Now ES has just incurred a break of structure, break this line, breaks here, but I'm not sure this is not obvious break. This is, and even to here, if you get rejected here, then it's still uptrend, but I'm not sure. So it's shoulder, hand, shoulder. Yeah, if you gonna shoulder, hand, shoulder, then the shoulder gonna be here. So I add my complementary limit order here. But if we outpace this, that means something. Then I need to quit. That's the plan. But it keeps falling, then my limit order is at the entry of the order block. Um, If it creates a lower low, then probably I'll need to I'll add some position because that validates that this is stretch, consolidation, consolidation, stretch. Even if it's consolidation, then I will hold. I will keep my current order without increasing the order size. Now it's sideways. Oh my God, it goes into sideways. This could be the beginning of a reversal. Maybe for sideways, I just need to cancel this and then move my stop loss somewhere. But it could like double top. Uh, let's see ES. If ES creates a lower low, builds some upward and builds lower low, then I'll also increase size at NQ. And it shows it's getting defended by ENNI. Hmm. Just at me, I'm for. At me that it's not continued down. Then my hypothesis that it's continued down is correct. If that gets validated, then we'll increase position. But does not look good. See this downward, this bearish candle is so small. But for NQ it's still sideways. 2 star here. Sideways. Let's see ES. Hmm? Reverse. Oh no. Let's see. Hmm. Look at ES. Still sideways. Should not move. See this candle. Look at ES. Still sideways. Should not move. Keep holding. Holding. Oh. Let's look at 3 minute. Oh, it's high, high. Maybe we can add something here. It looks like this defense, this support, buyer defense is valid. It's trying to go up, up. Complementary order will be here. What's going on? Sideways. And our entry is at the middle. Oh, look at yes. 1 more minute. Still sideways. But it does not break this trend line. So that means something, some symptom. Oh, maybe I should set a ENA 21 here. Okay, it looks like ES has already break. Is that correct? Mm-mm. We'll see. Okay, it could retest to ENA 21 on 3 minute and retest to here. I'm not sure. Oh, it got rejected. I saw you break. Is this a liquidity speed? 3 more minute. We'll see. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. That means this is a liquidity speed. It gets rejected. I so consolidation for 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 minutes. Once it's stretched, they're gonna be a big stretch. So maybe, and before you stretch, you could have a liquidity squeeze. So that's why I set it here. I set my stop loss here. Anyway, cannot risk too much. And C, this is a sideways area. It can go either way. Oh, ES break. It shows like it want to break three something, but it looks like gonna this is the liquidity squeeze and gonna go upward. It gonna go upward to here. Let's see. If this is the liquidity squeeze, fool me again. Okay, it triggers, kick me out. I lose for this trade. Sideways, sideways. Okay, now this is very support, so it keeps going up. Here is the complementary order. Shoulder, hand, shoulder. And I'll add my complementary order somewhere here. Somewhere here. Okay, we'll see. And my stop loss somewhere here. Now, if you trigger this point, this is sell 10. So we'll see. If you retest to here, I'll add more order. But if you outpace to here, then I'll quit. I'll leave the trade. One, two, three, four, five. Let me see how much I lose in the previous two trades. 300, 300, 620. Lose 600 overall. Hmm. Oh no, not there to go long here. There could be some retests. Look at the yes, this is still bullish. But for NQ, I look at 3 minute, so it is a little bit hesitate. Some momentum. Let's step in. Okay, I guess I don't need this one. Instead, I need this. For 5 minute, yeah, 3 minute. Let's see, yes. New candle. I don't set a take profit here. It's a little bit risky. Maybe at the equal high, I should say that something, but this is super strong. How come some big momentum comes in super strong? So it's outbreak. It's outbreak. What's going on? Look at 3 minute. At least I make 200 for this trade. But if you show some rejection, put some here, I will just quit. Yes, it's still a green candle. 3 minute, we'll see, we'll see. Oh my God, what's going on with this three momentum? Sideways and something, there's no consolidation. Something happened. Uh, okay, trace the 3 minute. That's trading. Not sure what's going on. Suddenly, after it consolidate and it keeps going up. So that's the point for stop loss. I don't rescue anymore. If I rescue, I'm gonna doom. I'm gonna blow account in one. With this, without any deep retest, I'm gonna blow my account in one trade. Okay, a new three minute candle. Let's see. Falls under 500, then I will quit. Or maybe here. If it shows engulfing, I will quit. Okay, keep going up. That's great. What's going on? If I'm gonna rescue, I'm gonna blow my account again. The good thing is I apply a new method. I just admit my fault and apply stop loss whenever identifying that okay, this is not a liquidity speed. I'm not gonna save it anymore. Not gonna save it anymore. Oh, this is intimidating a little bit because it's far away from the ENA line. So I'm gonna trading a little bit time. Almost there for ES. You can see for ES. For ES, almost reach here. When ES reaches here, I will probably like take profit. Let's see ES 5 minute. If it reaches here, I'll take profit. But what about NQ? God, it's not easy to draw the trend line. So the upper bound is here, still some distance. I expecting something. So take profit, sell. Hey, yeah, this is the peak of the upper bound. So when it reaches the upper bound, um, yeah, think of it. This is as a channel, as a channel, and we'll see. I have Okay, rejection, step in here. It's too far away. See, rejection, step in. Let's see, wait one more candle. Oh, do do do. So what's my something? I think it's a 7. Okay. 5 back. 718. It could be a delivery test. The delivery test is ending here. We'll see. No divergence is higher price action and higher RSI something. So what about 4 hour? Oh, it touches this something. So guess what? I will see this candle. Hmm. Right, very strong. May retest to here or may reverse. This could be a liquidity sweep with such backward. This could be a liquidity sweep and keep going down. So I'm not trading the retest if I go short here, but I would like to see this candle, see the completion of one more candle and see how fast it fight back. Uh, do not trade in the middle because we have fair value to get here, fair value to get here, and fair value to get, fair value to get. So many, so many places that they can retest. What about 5 minutes? Okay, 4 more minutes. It may continue to go up. So if my trading stop loss is aligned the ENA line, then okay, it retest to ENA line and that ENA line catches up, and this candle gonna be engulfed the previous candle, or it will fall into the sideways. If it fall into sideways, then let's wait. ES shows some downward intention and creates a lower low. I'm not sure if ES is gonna fool me again today. Okay, 3 more minutes. We will see. Oh, oh, ES is 3 minutes. Then I should see. ES shows downward intention while NQ shows upward intention. This 3 is so intimidating, and this one does not even cover. Oh, maybe I'm gonna lose for this trade because it seems it continues up, even it suffer. It's already at the resistance line from the bigger time frame, but I still need to be humble once it exceeds here. So I will set my stop loss here. Yeah, my stop loss here. If it exceeds here, then oh, engulf. So this uptrend continue. Oh, uptrend continue. And yes, fool me again. It's trying to go down and show a breakdown. I should really wait until the completion of the candle and see. But wait a minute. NK already engulfed, but yes, it's still like less than zero point 0.6. At this time, yes, it's still retest and get rejected here and keep going down. See this candle? Let's see this one. If it's sideways, then I'll probably quit. But yes, see, yes, it shows the lower low. No, no lower low, yeah. See if yes creates a lower low. Damn, I should be more conservative and set the limit order somewhere here. But yes, already engulfing. Oh, it's a retest. Not, not even 0.6. Let's see, yes. If yes becomes like create a higher high than the previous candle, then we'll probably need to quit. This is not the right setup. Or maybe I just reverse. Let's see. Yes, want to go short. So probably I should make, but it's still sideways, so we'll see. Still sideways. But it's just too many like unhealthy stretch. So you can perceive the chart as a very strong upward momentum, but as I said, this is 5 minute and it's not healthy. It's so much fair value gap. Okay, it looks like NQ is breaking out to the upside while ES still in the range. So see if ES break to the downside. So far, nobody breaks. I want to see breakout. Still sideways. Hope. Go. Equal backward. So when, I mean, both are in the range. At this time, both are in the range. So I'm not sure who's gonna win. It looks like currently it's like upward. Cannot add a position here. Cannot add a position during the sideway because it's undeterministic. And chances are that I'm wrong because I'm in the drop down at this time. Even though ES shows some downward intention. See, this is engulfing the previous one. Is still upward. Until somebody break. But this is retest to the previous resistance and becomes a new support. Need to break the support. Never increase position during a drop down, no matter what. Do not perform rescue. And escalation is only for increasing the win. Yeah, stick to my principle. Oh, it keeps going up. Yes. What about yes? It keeps going down. Oh damn. If I go short, maybe I just need to do yes. See, it keeps going down, but it keeps getting rejected by ENA9. It's not even reaching ENA9. That's the problem. Really, will ES fool me again? Is this bull flag? For ES, it's a bull flag, but for NQ, it's like sideways continue to the upside. So we'll see. Yes, if it's a bull flag, and this is a trend line, break this trend line, then but if you break this trend line, NQ will probably like trigger my stop loss. Oh, it triggers my stop loss. So it continues to go up. Oh, damn. Damn. In this way, I should go long with yes, because he just experienced the oh, it's still not break. Okay, be on board. So NQ has already show a breakout to the upside. 2 more minutes. Uh, so pretty confident say ES is still in bull flag and is still in the range. So later on, this is the indicator for next step. It will probably like go up. I might. If you fall back to here, I'll complement some order just in case. But if you fall back to here, oh, where's my stop loss? Stop loss will be here, I guess. But it could be. Oh, then this is so difficult to trade. The bull flag, especially the flag is downside, but something here. If you exceed something, then break underneath ENA9, then I just need to quit. God damn. So this time you're gonna break. You break to this level. What about ES? ES also break here. It does not bounce back. I saw it gonna bounce back. Hmm. But it seems like consolidate and trying to go up. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, will you trigger my complimentary order? Go for ENA9. I think ENA9 gonna perform the final defense. So I set my complimentary order at ENA9. Drag my average price something. You don't break. You don't break. That means the flag continues. So, oh damn. It's very difficult to decide the lower bound because even if forced to here, it's still in the sideway. But a C and Q break, so yes, it does not. Maybe I just not check the single one candle. I need to check a couple more candles, see the overall pattern. Oh, I get trigger. So when I trigger here, then I'll probably, hmm, 4 hour. I don't even see the 4 hour. Take profit here. Currently is at my entry price and take profit here. Align with the all day high. So we'll see if this is a bull flag, then it will break out to the upside. Otherwise, if it goes to here, then probably means it means something. Let's see. One versus 1.5. But do not make decision based on one single candle. Make sure to watch the completion of two candles. It's okay if it falls back. Then this sharp drop, sharp rise, sharp drop is not for us. Mm-hmm. One more candle. I think I should set a stop loss somewhere here. Let's see this candle. If it keeps going down, then probably need to quit. So if we force by engulf the previous bearish candle, then it's still uptrend. Afterwards, for NQ, this does not close underneath. This is not engulfing, so uptrend continues. So I'm gonna hold my trade here. Uptrend continues. Oh, what's going on? See if ENA line is defending, keeps defending. Hmm. It looks like the sideways triangle and breakout and go long here, but it becomes like bull flag. I add a complementary order, drag the average price to here. And now it's something like this. I don't know where to set stop loss. Maybe I should set an ENA line. Or maybe I should just leave the trade. And I'm really not comfortable with such something. It's not necessarily the bull flag, even though it doesn't. Oh, it retests. It gets some support here at previous resistance now becomes the support. So I'm not sure. So maybe I can set a very tight stop loss here. Is that correct? NK wants to go down. Two. Now ES becomes triangle sideways again. See, it does not create a lower low, trigger the lower bound of this channel, of this flag channel. It's something like this. Triangle, triangle. Huh. Okay, even 0 point, I lose $16. That means the commission. Huh? That's the commission. Here it retests to sideway, previous sideway, not even here. See if it breaks out. See NQ if NQ breaks out to here. For ES, oh, it's still sideway. Maybe I should just quit the trade. It's a micro profit. Go one step, go up. I leave. Be principled, not comfortable in this situation. Oh, after I leave, then you break out. We'll see. We'll see. What's going on? In that case, if ES breaks out, then probably I'll go long. See. Okay, I quit and you break out. Holy crap. So this time I just set my limit order at ENA line. See if you're gonna retest. See the next candle of yes. Oh, it falls back. It falls back. Break out the flag. Where do I set this? Oh, in the lower bound of this candle. Okay, yes. Even with this, you don't even get me on board. Should I just lower it a little bit? Don't fool me like that. If you break here, I'm gonna quit. I swear. Come on, it just break out to the upside. Is this like fail for the high? I think it's just retest back to the upper side of the flat channel and keep going up. Yeah, we'll see. Then I just set the stop loss here. Hmm. Hey. Okay, it breaks to the upside. After I quit the trade and you break out. And actually, you know what? I can actually get back on board. Let's say size here. On board with the retest or somewhere here. It looks like this becomes a bull flag on NQ. Then I should not set the stop loss here. It's not like break straight up. It's like, oh, doom. Oh, doom. So you fool me with this strong momentum to the upside. And that way, I should probably jack somewhere to here. because this, if it becomes a bull flag something, then it could probably retest to here. So I just drag a little bit underneath the ENA 21. Let's see. It should go up though. Even though I'm not sure how far it should go. Not easy to set anything here. If it breaks, then maybe somewhere here, that's too difficult to set. To set take profit on 15 minutes. Let's look at this candle. Okay, it becomes a triangle sideways. And let's see if it break to the upside. That means the ENA 9 is performing some defending. It's not a flag. If it is keeps going down, this is a flag. So I can move my stop loss to somewhere here. Let's see, yes. Counts. 161. Oh, I lose for the trade just now. For this trade. Get fooled by this one, get rejected, and think, okay, this is something. So it triggered and trigger my stop loss. So uptrend continues. Not easy. Okay, now the previous upper bar of this sideway becomes the new support for this new sideway. For the new sideway here, you can see trying to go up. Let's wait for the completion of this candle. 3 minutes not as stable, but 5 minutes. Look at ES. 5 minutes, 3 more minutes. For 3 minutes, it looks like it already engulfed the sideway area. Oh. Okay, engulf. That's great. That's great. Okay, keep going on. That's even better. So we should not retest. Maybe it will retest to this, to here. Or maybe retest to here. But I think it's gonna go up after this consolidation. Keep going up another flash, like something like this. What's that? Starting from here, sideway, a like 900, 950. Okay, 50 point, 50 point. So 950 to 6,000 point. Where's the 6,000 point? A. Yeah, just set a take profit right there. This is another stretch. It could be bigger. It could be smaller. I don't know. This is 30% threshold. Okay, one more candle. Let's see. Oh, yes, want to retest. Let's see. Now it's already engulf. Engulf. See if this one is retesting or deep retest to somewhere here and kick me out. I'm okay with that. Otherwise, and if it retest, then probably will double top. If it keeps going up, then this is consolidation. Bullish flag and go up. Something up. Let's see if it creates a higher high. So what's intimidating? Why? I need to make sure my stop loss is above my entry price. It's like is at the boundary of upper bound of a trend line upper bound from the big time frame. So I'm not sure. Okay, see the new candle. It looks like this is a retest and keep going up. 3 minute candle has some misalignment, but our trend, the real-time trend, going to be the same. It's gonna engulf and going up, keep going up. Yeah, that's what ES told me. And NQ will probably lagging behind a couple of minutes. Sometimes it's like 10 to 15 minutes, but our trend should be the same. So still does not create a higher high. So if it creates a higher high, I can be more confident and move my trading stop loss. Now today, ES and NQ are on the same page. There is no obvious. Um, oh, this is also 3 mini. Oh, oh. Retest, kick me out. Kick me out. Deep retest like this. Damn. What about ES? Ankle just show intention to go down. Oh, if he can break somewhere here, close about here, maybe I can add some position. But for now, let's be conservative. Let's get kicked out. Just get kicked out. ES want to go up. but still do not break a higher high. So it's still sideways. Be conservative. Okay, this is 5 minute, and this is 5 minute. Okay, creates a higher high, please. Yes, please confirm the uptrend rather than a double top here and reverse. Oh, one more candle. Let's see. Uh-oh, uh-oh. That means it's a sideways here. If I get kicked out. It's a sideways. No trade area. That means that's really the resistance, some sideways here, and looking for the breakout to the downside. Yeah, this is. Oh, I don't see RSI. Some minor RSI divergence. What's going on? Seems you want to kick me out. You almost kicked me out, but for resume. And even at this area, you want to keep breaking to somewhere here. Oh, here. Yeah, it makes sense if you can break here. Yeah, it makes sense. Somewhere around here. Maybe a little bit over ambitious. But it looks like it's trying to continue up, sideways, something. And this stop loss is not getting kicked out, almost kicked out. But ES already shows some upward intention. But it's not breakout. Yeah. If it break out, then if it obviously break out, then I think okay, NQ gonna follow. So I'll probably add some position. Sideways here, and it looks like this is a lower low. It's like another bear flag, a bull flag. going to the downside. Dual flag. So next candle gonna trigger my take profit. Should I just move my take profit a little bit lower? Something. Maybe move it lower. Somewhere here. Because ES shows the upward intention. But I'm not sure. As it's already at a from 4 hour is already here. So if it shows the engulfing downward, so I will go short again. Come on. Okay, one more candle. ES keeps oh. CES it is trying to break to the upside. If that's true, then I add some position. I hope you don't fool me this time because consistently the ENA 9 performs on defense, showing the buyer defense and pushing it upward. So let's get ready. No, no, as long as it does not break, it does not mean anything. I want to see ES break. Break. Oh, oh, I get kicked out. 150 profit, I don't take it. And I get kicked out with around like 1, 2, 3. Maybe I should be more conservative about my trading stop loss, but who knows? This is very dangerous. So I'm gonna be rest assured. Wait for some time. No need to rush. This is ES shows some upward. But who knows? NQ shows some downward. So if NQ breaks the downside, then I will go short on ES. If ES go break to the upside, I will go long at NQ because there is some minor divergence. If it does not break, then it's not worth trading. What about ES? Oh, ES already arrived here. And at this previous support, a resistance and something, and it already exceeds a little bit. What about NQ? NQs are here. Here, it does not even reach here. Yes, has already reached here. So this is flag, it does not even reach this flag. And this is the boundary, this is the trend line for NQ. So both reach some resistance level on a bigger time frame. Hmm. We'll see. Because when you arrive here, then it will bounce back. Oh, one more minute. We just need to see confirmation. Confirmation. Now it just engulfed the previous single candle. The next candle, next 5 minutes, gonna be engulfed again and continue up. So don't get fooled. And even it breaks out, then yes, it's still higher right here. So we have some space to go short for yes. Okay, next candle. Let's see. Okay, yes, buy back. Too difficult to trade. And while it shows some downward, then yes, shows upward green something. Wait for the compression. Okay, it bounced back. Continue upside, see? But even in continue upside, it missed here. So I'm not there to go long. Oh, not there to go long. We'll see. No, we just use up this one. And we just use up this one. So what I'm gonna add is a channel. Oh, something like this. Um, it does not even reach the top. It just want to go down. Let's finish this one. There are 4 more minutes. But if ES close underneath here and NQ still sideways, then maybe we can go short for NQ. Let's see. Oh, buyer still boosting. Yeah, so probably will engulf everything here. Bullish power is so strong. Bullish momentum. I mean, mhm. Okay, 120. Uh, uh, the thing is, ENA 9 has not shown any intention to come close. Same thing here. It does not show any intention to come close. So at least I want to see something here. And I can go short at the upper bound and set a stop loss here. Something and trade this trend. And I will see this one. Now ES shows very weak, fight back. But NQ shows very strong. It's almost engulfing the all three. Yeah, it's trying to engulf all three, 2 more minutes. This way I'm not there to go short. Oh, not there. Very intimidating. We'll see. ES is closing less than something. Or NQ. Oh. Okay, this is like a 5 back consolidation. No trade, no no trading low. Or maybe I can set a lower order here. Let's see, yes. Let's just take some risk. Engulf the previous one, but for yes is less than half, showing the lack of upward momentum, buyer momentum. So let's just go short here and see yes creates a lower low. We would like to see 4 more minutes, it may get rejected and fool me. Okay, creates a lower low. For NQ is still in the middle. Can you break the ENA 9? That's my question. Don't increase position. Because this is still very, it's still sideways, like bull flag, bull flag. For NQ, it looks like this is a sideways triangle. If you draw something, and draw something. The hypothesis is that the ES cannot fight back and engulf this one. If it does, then I just get triggered, getting into a trade. Oh, I get into a trade. We'll see yes. Oh, a match even. Okay, not engulf, get rejected. So probably I will send my rescue order somewhere here. But no, if it under this it breaks a lot. It looks like it keeps going up. But this is the I don't know. I don't see the downward confirmation signal, so this is very risky to try here. And still so much space. If he goes to here, I would not be surprised. This is a previous resistance. So maybe I should be more conservative and wait for the signal, confirmation signal, and it goes short. If it break, then I will probably need to leave the trade. ES and NQ, and they are on the same page. If the break is to the upside, then just leave the trade. Oh, some sub loss somewhere here. Yeah, I see. Yes, this is a very risky trade, risky entry. Oh, oh, look at some good news. But we'll see if ENA9 keeps defending. If ENA9 keeps defending, so I should probably check this one. This is the most conservative, but a little bit. $5 distance. See if ENA9 keeps defending. And if it breaks here, then I'll probably add some position. Oh, ENA9 keeps defending for both ES and NQ. And it's higher low. So things are not looking good. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Gas rejecting here again. Gas rejecting at a resistance. But yes, if it breaks out, then I'll trigger my stop loss. Come on, so much fair value gap here. You don't want to retest? How come? Oh, trigger. So I lose. Some sudden. That means after the sideway, maybe I just need to wait until the breakout. Mm-hmm. CES has breakout so much, and NQ is still hesitate, so I just add this, and I'll probably drag my stop loss complementary order somewhere here. Let's see. What's the most recent trade? Something unrealized, realized PNL 200. Okay, see if I can make 200. Oh, boost going up, boost going up. 2 more minutes. Let's wait for the compression of this candle. Because it could be a liquidity squeeze, and keep going down. I don't know, but ES shows a very strong. Seems today everyone just want to buy. It looks like everyone just want to buy today. Will you trigger my increasing order? It looks like only you test to here. You test here. It's not good. It does not close above here. We'll see. Oh oh. Oh oh. Don't fool me like that. You get rejection. To somewhere here. Come on, after consolidation, you just show break, good upside. Anyway, who knows? Who knows? Just need to set a stop loss like 10. Okay, close above there. 3 more minutes. ES has already outpaced the previous peak. That gave me some heuristic on the next step. Bull flag something and keep breaking upside to the upside. Double top is sideways. Sideways. And keep going up. Where is my entry? Oh, 68. 51. What's going on? Uh-oh, uh-oh. It got rejected. I don't like this rejection. That means a potential reversal pattern. If the next candle shows something covering here, then it's a reverse. Oh, see this candle. Okay, maybe I need to quit. I need to quit. This is a reverse. It gonna be retest here. And for NQ, you're gonna retest to here. Oh my god, I don't like this. I'll retest fair value gap. Retest fair value gap. 15. And we'll see if you get rejected here and keep pumping up. Okay, you get rejected here. ENA9, but this is intimidating. This is a reverse setup. So maybe next candle gonna keep going down. Wait for 4 minutes. Okay, for ES, it retests to the upper side of the previous sideway. Oh, for N carry test to previous something. So this is a fake breakout. Get full. No, should not add a position here. Let's see if this defense is really effective. Maybe I should leave some buffer for the volatility and see if this defense is effective and bump it back. If no, it breaks down, then I lose. Lose this trade, that's how it is. But okay, for ES, it shows some intention. It still has an intention to go up. Hey, so in this way, this is a retest, and it keeps going up. Yeah, that's for ES. It keeps going up. Or maybe sideways, somewhere around here. Then I probably go long at the upper bow, upper half of the sideway. Something like this. Oh, it sellers push it away. Maybe I just set the stop loss somewhere here and quit this trade quickly. We'll see sellers attack again and see if buyers can defend. But this is liquidity squeeze. That's intimidating. Oh, it's trying to go down. Yes, has reached the order block. Gets pushed back. Oh, NQ still want to go down. Go see if you can trigger my stop loss. I almost get triggered just now. Just flash something. Oh, oh. So potentially, potentially, this is reverse. Oh, it triggered my stop loss and resume upside. So this is the five. Trigger my stop loss and get back. Maybe I should set my stop loss at ENA 21. I don't know. And resume upward. Uh, Something here. Maybe I should set it here a little bit. There's no trade. No trade. No trading though. God damn. And strong momentum comes back. Okay, liquidity speed and liquidity speed and where to go? Nobody knows. It continues sideways and volatility sideways like this is not tradable. Oh, lose a lot in the trade just now. 15 size, 465. Okay, we'll see. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Strong bullish momentum comes in. I should set that, well, that's too risky. No, cannot make any decision, but essentially this is sideways. Sideways, buyers and sellers are even. 660. 900. 840. That means I was once making 200 or something. Why? Let's see this one. Failed to create a higher high, but it still defends by yen and 9. Defense by yen 21. Get continue upside. It's something 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 here. No trade. No trade allowed here. But ES only cover half, like 0.6, the previous bearish candle. NQ. See this candle. See one more candle. So that means I really need ATR, it seems. What's the point? 951 here and 949. So if the volatility is big, I should add the ATR and set it here. Yes, shows a downward. Let's look at. Okay, yes, shows some downward. And continue like RSI divergence. RSI divergence. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Hmm. Even RSI divergence is as long as it does not show some downward, then it's not easy to get in. Yeah, it keeps price keep rising up and it does not show any divergence. Today it already exists here, still circling around here. I'm gonna try the momentum. Hmm. It looks like gonna try to reach the upper bound of the channel. Look at ES, almost engulfing. Hmm. Almost engulfing. ES has shown some dry up on the upside momentum for hour. Wait something. CES, if it breaks this level, Hmm. This is still uptrend. I don't see any sign it gets downtrend. I only see there from ES something something it goes down. It's trying to go down. Oh oh oh. Hmm. So yeah, I just get kicked out from my stop loss before I make some money. Damn. Yes, keeps going down. It's not break. So keep holding, holding. Let's see. Multiple retest. It's not that easy for the transition. Buyers and sellers just fine, and sometimes they're even. But I do see ES just break right here, trying to break. Hmm. See if you can get us on board. So we just set the limit order at stop loss something and a little bit conservative. Let's see. Every time I'm gonna trigger my stop loss. So I just where I want to set stop loss. If I want to set entry, for example, here, I will say, okay, stop loss here. So a conservative estimation will be here. That's how I set the limit order. Let's see. Cannot conclude that you're gonna go down. It has very strong upside momentum. So it's very risky. Very risky here. If yes can break can break ENA 21, then I'll probably add some position and see, or I'll see the reaction here. 2 more minutes. I'll see. Finally, the upward momentum dry up, and this is just the beginning. There could be some multiple deep retests, so I'm not gonna set. I only set complementary order. I'm not gonna set any stop loss. See if it engulf here. Why? see this candle. If it creates a lower low, then I add some position. Mm-mm. No, still fine. Then I just too greedy. Then I just too greedy. See, yes, it's trying to create a low low, but NQ is trying to retest. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, if you keep going up, then okay, this is 15 again. So probably I need to set my stop loss somewhere here and see. Let's see, yes. A48. Well, if there's a flash, then I can hit my profit goal directly. But I will be conservative. I will probably take profit somewhere here. It's gonna be risky, but it's too early. Now it's engulfing, so that means it's still uptrend. I'm gonna lose for this trade. Too early to talk about take profit. Hmm. But ES already shows some lower, low, lower, low. Oh, it could be a bull flag. We'll see this candle. Mhm. Oh, I don't stick to my principle. I add position during drawdown. Hopefully it does not get triggered. If it triggered, then my size, my size could be too big. Will trigger, really? Mm, okay, this is already some resistance before. Anyway, shoulder hand, shoulder something, break. Oh, oh. Things not correct. Things not correct. Probably you're gonna continue go up around here. We'll see. Yes. Okay. One more candle. See if this candle continue up, then I probably need to quit. But if this is down, then I'll hold the trade. But yes, NQ already shows, I don't know, 5 minutes. That seems ENI still performs on defense and push the price to the upside. And this is not effective, yeah. And it's possible it go 2000. Then we're gonna be broke. I will be broke. That case. We'll see. Yes. It looks like this is the bull flag and it keeps continuing down. Get rejected here, but if he breaks, then maybe you just need to quit. Oh, profit goal is just so close. And this is a huge loss. Oh, still going up. Still going up. See if he close above. Oh, okay. Yes, touch the previous resistance. We'll see how it behave. But NQ already break and bull flag and break. So it looks like another something like this. I just need to quit the trade. Mm-hmm. See if it fall back. Okay, yes, got rejected at the same level. False. I mean, yes, shows some rejection, some resistance here. But NQ wants to go up. Today, everybody want to buy. There's no reverse. Even he. So this is malfunction, I guess. This is a malfunction. I hope this is some liquidity speed and drop back something. One more minute. Let's see. But I really need to set some stop loss here. This is too big. I cannot afford. Some rejection, some resistance here. See if it gets rejected again. Yes. I don't set something again. I guess I just need to set a stop loss here. Next candle. What about next candle? It could be a consolidation and reverse pattern trigger. So it's not easy to set the see this candle. If it creates a higher high, then I need to quit. Okay, it falls back. Oh no, too early. So this is 30. Too big. The trading size is too big. Probably will continue to go up. Oh no. Oh no. I lose. Okay. Everybody want to buy today. Daily P&L like 1,400 and my drawdown distribution only 900. Oh, it just triggered my stop loss. That's something I don't want to see. It triggered my stop loss and start fallback. I don't like this game. See if it engulf to here, retest to here or here, then the liquidity speed back test to ENA 21 and go upside. So mm, but it seems like only arrive at the middle line. Mm-hmm. I should not set maybe I should not set the trading stop loss, or maybe my stop loss should be bigger, but my trading size is too big, so I cannot afford too much loss. And it triggers again, it triggers my stop loss and go up, so I should be profitable, and triggers my stop loss and go back. Oh, oh, we should make some money with this downward momentum. As downward starts. Oh my God, you get me so huge downward after you trigger my stop loss. So to set stop loss is something. It's some techniques. Yeah, if you don't say it properly, that's something like me. Then trading stop loss, I get triggered here. I thought, okay, this is gonna be the reverse, starting of the reverse, and get fail. So I should apply like very conservative trading stop loss somewhere here, and C goes up, and I get trigger kick out. Something I should set at the ENA line. The ENA line is right here at the moment. Now it falls back. And once we realize that this is a malfunction, we should not trust that. Oh, it takes quite a while, like 20 to 30 minutes to be effective. We should see at least bearish, bearish 15-minute candle to start going short. Okay, fights back. This volatility. So sideways, but way it only retests to here. Maybe I can go short from here. This seems like a liquidity sweep. Uh, Wait for one more candle, then you're gonna sideways around here and gonna retest here again. Oh, wait until the completion of this candle. We'll see. This trend line, I cannot conclude that it's malfunction. It's still here. And it seems it is losing upward momentum after it triggers something and some huge um, selling momentum step in. This is huge. So we'll see. Oh, the buyer reduce. Things not looking good. If we just retest to here and buy reduce, then probably will continue to go up. CES. Okay, it seems like even ES is trying to engulf. It will not retest. Come on. Come on. Okay. With this on board, and now it seems it's not engulfing, then it's just continue sideways. And I have a complementary order at the upper bound, short order at the upper bound of this sideways. So we'll see. Oh, it got rejected. Looks like ENA9 is still effective. But yes, of NQ is still engulfing. Two more minutes. Now it's engulfing, even ESS engulfing. So that means something. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Suddenly it just retest so much. What's going on? ES shows engulfing downward momentum. Let's look at this candle. If it creates a lower low, maybe I can increase position. Oh, I have 330 contract going down if I don't set a stop loss. I have this one. I have this one. It gets rejected at ENA 21, so I cannot add a position at this time. I will see. I will watch for this candle. If it exceeds here, then probably I need to quit. Now it seems it gets defended by ENA 21. ENA 21 is too strong momentum, but it's possible that it becomes a stop and it start to reverse. Now cannot add position. I'm pretty intimidated at this time. As long as it does not fall, break through this path. Attack again, get defending. Attack again, get defending. For ES, it's already break. How it breaks. See if we can close underneath EN 21. Confirm the Dow chain. Buy is like a 10. Oh, it got rejected here by EN 21. You're kidding me? Two more minutes. We'll see. $9.60. If we test here, if we test here, then things are not correct. Why? But ES is still like close underneath. CES. Oh, so it's just like 15. CES last minute. If you can close underneath, all becomes a stop. If it's stop, then let's see. Oh, it keeps getting rejected here. So retest here and keep going up, I guess. So probably I need to set a stop loss here. But I think it's a retest in a line and get rejected in a line and keep going down. See, the ENA line performs the defense. Zero C. Cannot break through this support. Buyer still in control. Let's see ES. If ES can continue, create a lower low. Lower low to here. Maybe I should set my stop loss somewhere here. Maybe I should. I think it's get rejected by ENA line. So it's now crossing. It's trying to cross the knees. I should go for it here. Okay, ES still showing some intention to break, but NQ shows some sideways. Oh, oh, it bounce back. Retest again. Maybe this support is still effective. And ENA 9 is still above ENA 21. I mean, still uptrend. So maybe I should be conservative. I just take profit here. Okay. ES want to create a lower low. Go. And NQ will be delayed, but you will follow if ES break out to the downside. Let's see. Yes. 49. Okay, down. 12. it suddenly becomes big volatility. Maybe I should take profit here. We'll see. 12.50. Yes, keep going down. I mean, this is an order blow. I don't want to set stop loss. Just it gets triggered. But if I set it here, that's okay. Oh, the alarm, it looks like the alarm stops. So I can set a stop loss here. Buy. Make sure I never lose for this trade. At least 200 profit. No, cannot add a position here because it could possibly get rejected here. But let's look at yes. Oh, mm-mm, mm-mm. Will get rejected here. Still trying to break out. Yes, like stretch, consolidate, and this kind of supposed to be stretch, and it got rejected by unit line. So stretch. So maybe some size consolidation here. Oh. So it gets rejected here. Then we just need to wait for the next candle. Oh, we have one. We have one more last candle. Mm-hmm. Just 200 something. Not that much. The last trade since 231, 7 something, something, something. So all I lose. Yeah, I should wait for such momentum, and trading stop loss is not a good idea, gets triggered. Yeah, I'm not good at setting up the stop loss. So once I set stop loss, then yeah, this I should be profit, and this I should be profitable, especially three allows three short order here, and I set stop loss here and gets triggered. And exactly after I get triggered, then it starts the fresh. The rejection by the higher time frame trend line starts to take effective. What's that? For this quick rejection, I hate this. See, it's something sudden like this. Oh my God. how to get into a trade. No, no trade. So I know there is a trend line from bigger time frame. It's supposed to be effective, and I just cannot wait for it. And it's big, too big. I should wait for this engulfing, but this is not that engulfing, but this is engulfing, not that engulfing. And I wait until here. I see. Okay, it does not fight back. Something. So next time, maybe I should just wait one more candle and see if it fight back. If it doesn't, then I can um set my entry order somewhere here. Then there is some support here. So either you break or you get bounce back. Then this is another liquidity sweep and quickly bounce back. But ES has already break out without to the downside. So it should continue to go out downside. Maybe I should trade ES. If I trade ES, then I will not suffer from the tracing. If I trade ES, yeah, I can catch out this, and this is beautiful. Lower low, lower high, lower high, lower high, something. So the trading stop loss will be very safe. Sometimes ES has a deep retest. Sometimes NQ has deep retest. This is very difficult to say. Okay, I guess I need to improve on the setting stop loss. Or maybe I should not set stop loss, but conduct manual stop loss. And this is one of the practice. I get trigger, I get kick out here, here, and here. And overall I lose like 1,000. Not easy.